Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to this evening class. We'll be using the Canva application for this module on resolution. And as you can see from the numerous app here, this is the Canva application. So one great thing about this Canva application is that it has so many numerous features, and this application can do many crazy things more than what you think it can. With so many features in different categories, it has so many templates which could be attracting. But then this purpose of this whole class purpose is not to make use of this template, for templates have their limitation. We are to create our design from scratch so as to make killer posts at which we so much desire or appeal to our own taste. So to start with, we are to begin with the resolution, and to get to that session we have to click on this plus black icon here, this circular black icon with a plus. Then we have to access our custom size. So yeah, it's very important we access the custom size, because there we could be able to impute whatever dimensions we want. Now it's very important to know that the difference between a size and a resolution. Size simply talk about the dimensions of things and shape. Then you could have them in different formats. We have the cm, inches, millimeters, and pixel. Pixel is generally used because it measures an object per square unit, especially when we're dealing with images. So high resolutions is determined by the type of size you use. If you use a large size, you get a high resolution, and it's advisable you get your resolution to be in thousands. For small resolutions, has low size has their own effect on the object or the image that you want. For example, how would it be like when you build a building that is larger than your land? It doesn't make sense, right? And it's not even thinkable. How would it be like you watching low resolution video and compare it with an HD video? It's not something comparable. So because of that, we'll make use of the large resolution. For example, let's see the effect a low resolution will have on an object. Starting with 53 against 100, click this done button. So done. So we check here to see the check button up at the right top of your page. Now wait for it to load up. So yeah, we have our background there. So it's called the canvas, but though is the background on which you lay your object on to have your design. So now let's see the effect a low size resolution will have on an object. Say we had some text of our own. Adding some text of our own, we could see that this is giving us something not eligible, something we cannot see clearly. We cannot see actually all the aspects of the text. But if we reduce it, we might get to see it, but still, whatever result you get from this design will not be to your appeal. I promise you that you won't like it at all. So because of this, it's best and advisable that your resolution should be of high resolution. That is making use of a very large size. So going back to the custom size, click there, so we can make use of a large size resolution that it should be in 1000. For example, when you have values in 1000, say 2000 against 3500, click the check button at the top right page. Add some text again, as already, clicking the plus button at the bottom right. So then we had our test of our own. You can see the object to background ratio, or the object to background size. It's very small, it's relatively small, so you can actually see everything that goes on around in your background. You can position and put it everywhere. In fact, you have enough land to build a very beautiful mansion of a design. So making use of this environment is very good, and you have to utilize it to the best so as to get maximum results to your appeal.